Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to change a Chevy Cruze tail light. This is a straightforward task that you can easily do yourself with just a few basic tools. We will cover everything from accessing the assembly to testing your new bulb. It's important to have the right replacement bulb on hand before you begin. Let's get started and make sure your vehicle is safe and visible on the road. To access the tail light assembly, first open your trunk. You'll find two Phillips head screws holding the assembly in place. Remove these carefully. Next, locate the electrical connector and gently press its release tab to disconnect it. With the screws and connector free, you can now carefully pry the entire tail light housing away from the vehicle. Take your time to avoid damaging any clips or paint. Now for the actual bulb replacement. Once you have the tail light housing removed, you'll see the bulb sockets. Twist the specific bulb socket for the tail light counterclockwise to release it. Then, simply pull the old, burnt-out bulb straight out. Take your new bulb and firmly insert it into the socket. Finally, twist the socket clockwise until it locks securely back into the tail light housing. With the new bulb in place, it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully align the tail light assembly with its mounting points and push it firmly back into place. Reinstall the two Phillips head screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are snug. Don't forget to reconnect the electrical connector. You should hear a click when it's properly seated. Finally, test your new tail light to confirm it illuminates correctly. Great job, you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.